Prime Minister means PM. Our Prime Minister means picnic minister. Yes, he's touring all the country.
No comments on.
He's touring all the country. Why he did not go to Manipur? He failed in his duty as a Prime Minister. Nobody will do that. He is going every country after country, but not Manipur.
No comment
Manipur
on
is
his
not in
visits,
India.
It will not go on the record, please.
Why, sir? What is unparliamentary? What is unparliamentary? எங்கள் வாழ்வும் எங்கள் வளமும் மங்காத தமிழன்று சங்கே முழங்கு எப்பக்கம் வந்து புகுந்து விடும் இந்தி எத்தனை பட்டாளம் கூட்டி வரும் கண்ணை கிளிபட நேரும் கட்டாய இந்தியை வெட்டி புதைப்போம். This was our war song in anti-Hindi agitation. It's going on for 80 years.
Please.
Appropriation bill